how to verify TikTok account. In the normal way, you can verify your account. Just open TikTok app and go to your profile at the bottom right and click triple line at the top right and go to settings and privacy and click account. And you can find a verify button. But in my case, I didn't find that button. So if you same like me, just go to browser on your phone and type this URL tiktok.com/legal/report/verification and then enter. And you can submit a verification request manually. Type your email address and fill in your username that you want to verify in TikTok and add some description. I want to verify my TikTok account because I'm a celebrity in my country. You can upload up to 10 screenshots that share details relate to your feedback. Just tap upload. Maybe some screenshot like your YouTube account screenshot, your another social media, or a screenshot from an article that tell about you. For example, this. And check on box agreement. If everything is good, just click on submit at the bottom. And request submitted. Now the only that you can do just wait for the result of your request. So that's all the tutorial on how to verify TikTok account. And don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video and have a nice day.